Welcome, welcome, welcome. Hello, everyone.
Hello, everyone.
Hey,
How
how
everyone
how you guys are
doing?
doing? Hey, we just doing a intro. We glad that you guys have opted in to the 30-minute workday. Hi, my name is Jarvis Cloud Senior, and this is my wife. This is uh, my online business partner, and
Mm,
so she here today to add a little beauty to the intro. But
yes, and my name is Michelle Cloud.
yes, yes, yes. Oh, so while we're here and we thank you guys for opting in, we want to share one thing with you guys about what you have and what you have access to. So you opted in to the 30-minute workday, and this 30-minute workday is three simple steps to get your first $100,000 online. Now, if you have not read a PDF, this is the one that you need to read. If you have not read one, this is the PDF that you need to read front to finish if you want to make money online. All right, you have all the access to everything you need. Kill the guru nonsense. This is it. If you don't know how to make money online, this is how you do it. And you got access to everything you need right here in this PDF on instructions on what you need to do. All right. Now, what's coupled with this? Because right here, you get the knowledge, but you also see here on the thank you page when you came in. Hope you watched the video, and our buddy here shares some information. Matter of fact, let him share the information while we're here about the simple plan. All right, let's go.
Hey, my name is Nick, and I am the author of the 30-Minute Workday Escape Plan, and I am so excited. I am so happy for you to have this escape plan. This is the exact escape plan that I used back in 2004 when I was let go from my job 3 weeks before Christmas. I had $50,000 in debt. I had two small babies at home. I had a family to support. And I used this escape plan to create $101,000 online without my own products, without my own websites, without knowing much about traffic, without doing all of the hard, techie, time-consuming stuff that's probably already been slowing you down right now. So I am so excited for you to have this. This is the shortcut to be able to create an income online, to create wealth online in a way that gives you the time and the freedom to use it, built around anything that you want to do, anything that you love, any passions that you have. You can build a complete 30-minute workday business around that. But while you're here, I wanted to offer you a very, very special offer. I recently partnered with my good friends Mike and Paul, and they decided to let me do something that I didn't really expect. They decided to give me and also you access to a completely done $1.6 million business that allows me and allows you to get a $20 and even $120 raise per day, giving away free copies of this 30-minute workday escape plan. Now, Mike and Paul have three goals for you. Number one, they want to get you into profit right now. They're going to do that by literally handing you a $1.6 million business. And I say $1.6 million because it's already been proven to produce that in the marketplace. After they get you right now profits, they want to help you get to a $100,000 residual income in 12 months or less. Now, if you don't know what a residual income means, that means that you have income coming in whether you work or not. So whether you're working or playing or sleeping or doing whatever you want to do, you've got wealth coming in every single day, whether you work or not. And then they want to get you the tools and the resources and the skills and the community and the personal live help to be able to create wealth online for the rest of your life. If the 30-minute workday is the shortcut, this $25 all-in-one business that Mike and Paul are giving you access to is the shortcut to the shortcut, because you're going to be able to step into an existing business right now and get right now results. You're going to be able to have the opportunity to create a six-figure residual income in 12 months or less, and you're going to get all of the tools and the resources and the skills and the help and the community and the personal live help to be able to create unlimited wealth for the rest of your life. So if you love the idea of having a business without having to create your own products, without having to create your own websites, without having to worry about all of the hard, techie, time-consuming stuff and expensive stuff that is probably overwhelming you right now, you're going to love the 30-minute workday escape plan, but I urge you to take a look at this $25 all-in-one business, because it will allow you to take the shortcut to the shortcut and step into a $1.6 million business today, plus have the ability to not just get $20 and $120 raises every single day, but to create a six-figure residual income inside of your first year, even if you've never made a dime online. So I thank you again for getting the 30-minute workday escape plan. You are going to love it. It's going to show you exactly how you can build a business online around anything that you love, without your own products, without your own websites, knowing very little about ads and traffic and all that sort of stuff that's hard and techy and time consuming. It's going to allow you to create a business that will take you 30 minutes or less per day to run, even if you have little or no experience or you just haven't had the success that you wanted to this point. But I highly, highly, highly urge you to check out what Mike and Paul are allowing me to do and be able to help me and help you get $20 to $120 raises every single day, giving away free copies of this book, plus create a residual six-figure income. And again, a residual six-figure income is being able to create income without working. It's being able to create sales one time and get paid month after month and year after year, whether you're working or playing or sleeping or doing whatever it is that you want to do. So thanks again for grabbing the escape plan, and go check out this $25 all-in-one business, because it will literally blow you away. Thanks again, and I look forward to welcoming you to this community of Freedom Crusaders.
As you just received your welcome and your introduction by Nick, our awesome mentor, and he was introducing you also to Mike and Paul. And Mike and Paul has an awesome offer, and that offer is behind here, which is the Home Business Academy. In the Home Business Academy, you'll see this is an all-in-one digital business. And with we saying all-in-one, everything that you need to get in a profit, earn 100,000 residual income, and get all the tools. And while we're here for a brief second, I just want to share with you all the bonuses that you get with everything. You click the link and you can check it yourself, but I want to show you all the bonuses that you get when you come on the inside. That is actually Paul, and you can hear from him when you watch the video. Matter of fact, they hear a little bit from Paul while we're here.
Hey there, my friend. This is Paul. I'm a stay-at-home dad in Idaho, and I am so excited you're on this page. Using the training inside this business, I went from living in a single-wide mobile home, working a job that I hated, to firing my boss, generating tens of thousands of leads on the internet, becoming the #1 recruiter and producer in my network marketing company, and using the affiliate side of this all-in-one business, I was able to generate a passive income stream that's more than double what I used to make working 40 hours a week in my call center cubicle. I highly recommend you take a close look at everything on this page and get started if freedom is something that's important to you.
As Paul just shared, and everything that this page has to offer, I just wanted to share with you what all you get for $25. I mean, if you are using any tools, any software with monthly services worth more than $25, if you're not getting the community, if you're not getting all the training, all the coaching, and everything that you need to take a look. All right. What you get for those $25 is a funnel builder tool. I don't know if you ever heard of Sam Cart, but if you haven't, great tool, great service. Everything is done for you, and it's just as good or even better than ClickFunnels. And you get everything with the $25 for joining. You get the Funnel Builders Academy. They will share with you. You're going to get 3 different links when you come on the inside. And these are for the different tools, the affiliate side, the business academy, and the builder tool. So this is the Builder Academy. All training is included. The 30-minute escape plan. I hope you read your book, because this is the escape plan that's going to show you how to do everything the gurus is charging $10,000 and $20,000 for 100% free, concluded in this training. Along with everything else, you're going to get the Freedom Launchpad course, and basically the Launchpad course is going to show you how to snowball and to build your income from those monthly initial goals and everything else that's included. And you also get a done for you $1,000,000 page that they will also do for you, that will generate leads and traffic. All the emails are included. Instant traffic avalanche. This right here will show you how to get customers in 24 hours or less. And this will show you how to get in front of 100,000 people in the next 24 hours. All right, to show you where you'll be able to go find billions of visitors, ultimate email swipes, um, emails, 50 pre-written copy, uh, letters, emails, everything delivered. Show you how to get set up within 24 hours. Masterminds, Monday through Friday, that you will also have access to. So everything is in the escape plan. So I just wanted to share this with you. And as you see, yes, my screen froze, but I didn't want to stop the recording. Go ahead and click the link below. Get access to all the tools, and make sure that you finish reading your escape, your 30-minute workday uh, PDF, but also take advantage of the Home Business Academy as well. Reach out to me. My links, my name, and everything else will be below in the description. Jarvis Cloud Sr. signing off. You guys have a great day.
Goodbye.